Okay, this is Adam House, 173rd Airborne Brigade Combat Team, combat veteran of the war in Afghanistan. Today is Sunday, September 28th, 2025, and I am participating in the 8 p.m. 1 minute noise action, veteran noise protest, uh, protesting fascism, Donald Trump, ICE, and this criminal regime of Donald Trump. 1 minute of noise. In uniform, you're unique. You're unique among the world's armies. You're unique among the world's military. We don't take an oath to a country. We don't take an oath to a tribe. We don't take an oath to a religion. We don't take an oath to a king, a queen, or a tyrant, or a dictator. And we don't take an oath to a wannabe dictator. We don't take an oath to an individual. We take an oath to the Constitution. We take an oath to the idea that as America, we're willing to die protected. Fuck Trump! Fuck ICE! Sick! Semper Tyrannis!